Welcome to the Race Car and Chill YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a really quick hack on doing the crank bolt on a 2JZ. Today we're working on an IS300. One thing I should note, I've got all the throttle body and the ignition disconnected. We're going to crank the car for the starter bump method, and when we do crank the car, the ECU is going to be looking for all the electronics, so it's not going to see them. It's going to throw a bunch of codes, so make sure you have a code reader ready with you to clear those codes. But basically this is what we do. When you crank the car, the engine turns clockwise. So to break this nut, it's a bolt, it's a 22 millimeter, and from the factory I think the torque spec is like 240 something pounds, so this is always super tight. I've got a breaker bar onto this 22 and a cheater pipe wedged into the car, or wedged into the ground there. So this is how you want to have your setup, and all I'm going to do is just bump the starter real quick, and I'm going to have my buddy here record it while he does that, or while I bump the starter, and you'll see this bolt will come. It should just break loose, no drama. This is probably the sketchiest way to do this, but sketchy is more exciting in my opinion, and I'd rather do that than fight it or buy a specialty tool to hold it. It's never convenient to do this. So here's your hack.
3, 2, 1.
Hold on. I don't think it went. Here, I think I'm gonna stand on it right here.
I don't know if I like that, dude.
Send it. I think we got it. So to be honest, I'm not sure if we got it the first time or the second time, but as you can see, this bolt is now loose, hand tight. All right, there's your quick 2-minute hack on taking off the crank bolt on the 2JZ. Good luck. If you guys want to see the rest of the step-by-step DIY tutorial, I'll put the link in the top right corner.